Welcome, in front of me is HP EliteBook 745, and in this video I will show you how to change the boot order on this laptop. To change the boot order, you're gonna need to enter BIOS menu, and to do that, power your PC on by pressing the power button once, and while your device is turning on, start repeatedly press the F10 button until your device is booted into BIOS. Then you're gonna have to enter advanced section by clicking this, clicking right here. You can navigate here using your touchpad, by the way, and once you are here, go to boot options, then scroll down to the boot order. Now click on it, and you can disable one of the boot order elements just by clicking on it like this, and enable it again if you click once again. And you can change the boot order by clicking this arrow icon next to the boot element. Once you click on it, you can either click these arrows with your touchpad or just use arrow keys instead. So down and up arrow keys will move this element along the boot order. To apply changes, click enter, and to decline, click escape. Now, to save changes in your BIOS, you have to press F10 and then click yes right here. If you select no, the changes will be declined, of course. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.